Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, how are you? I'm so glad that you are here. Today's video is a very fun video, like they all are. Today's video is going to be our house tour, but with everything, like, we're settled in, we've decorated. We've got most things where they need to go. There's a room that's not quite ready to go, but that's because you'll see. But yeah, so without further ado, we will just go ahead and get into this. I hope you guys enjoy this house tour, like a staged house tour, but it's not staged because we live here. But yeah, anyway, I hope that you will enjoy this video and let's get into it. And we have our entryway, our front door. We've got another basket that we used at our wedding with fake flowers, a plant from our old house. Then Brent made this Bambrook sign. Super cute. I plan to put a bench here. I haven't done that yet, but. And then our shadow box from our wedding, right when you walk in. So yeah. Okay, so we have the living room. We have these gold, well, glass gold around the edges. There's one over there too that we took from our old house. So we have used it before. And we have our couch that's all kind of messed up by the dogs, but I don't know why we didn't think about putting blankets down, because we had blankets down on our old couch, but I love the color of it. I wish we would have put blankets down beforehand, but yeah, usually they have blankets on it. Then we have our little cow rug. It's faux cow. It's not real cow hide. Is that what you'd call that? Anyway, then we have our little poof. This is all from Homemakers, except for this little tan leather couches from Fairway. And then we've got our wedding album and then just our engagement pictures. Then we have our little ramp that Brent made for the wiener dogs, and then all the dog toys. Then we have this ladder that this also came from our old house, and it actually originally came from like an old building out here. But yeah, we just hold our little blankets and stuff. And then we have the curtains that we picked out. I love the color, just a nice like cream color. Then at the entertainment center, we have this is actually from our wedding. The ribbon tied on it is from our wedding. I got them at Goodwill, and then just some fake flowers. Then we have over here just a cute little sign that says "Let's be homebodies," and then some wedding pictures, my sisters, Brent's sisters. That globe thing is also from our wedding. It lights up. It should be turning on here soon. There's little fairy lights in there. And then just our electronics. We have these cute little plant. I got this at Goodwill. Brent made this sign. And then we've got our engagement pictures of all of us. And then some crystals here. And then Libra and Cancer candles, of course. Brent's a Libra, I'm a Cancer. And then more pictures. So those are just like baby pictures of our dogs. Another one of the globes. We got that at Hobby Lobby. Some crystals. Then our nieces and nephews over there. And then my brother and I. And then just a little cute little dog from Hobby Lobby. And then we go to the kitchen. Here is our dining area. Our dining table Brent made for us. And then the chairs are from Homemakers. Then the candle, I believe the clay pot is from Goodwill as well that I found. The candelabras from our wedding. This is from the Dollar General. But yeah, and then we have that bee up there. Brent also made that. And then in the corner, another basket that we had at our wedding. Just some fake flowers. And then over here, we have just pictures again of our families. And then for our guest book, we just had people sign little hearts. And then our thermostat, that's over there cleaning. And then into the kitchen, we've got a little plant, our island. I got these from my little sister for Christmas. I love them. And then another candlestick holder. Those are also from our wedding. Then our fridge. And then up there, that's from our wedding that Brent made. And then some crystals up there, some pictures, our sink, our little Google Home thingy, some plants. These three, I believe, came from our old house. Our sink, then I got these really cute jars from my dad and stepmom. They're really cute. And then there's one more over here. And then it came with this matching thing to put your spoon on, which is really cool. Then we have our knives and then salt and pepper there, a little calendar, the oven, and then our pantry is quite full right now, so I won't show you that. And then let's go back to the bathroom. Then we have, this is our guest bathroom. Cute little rug. I believe the rug came from the Dollar General. Little candle. Hello. And then these are from Hobby Lobby, just some like dried flowers and some macrame. And then the bathroom, the cute little shower curtain, and then all of our handles are now the gold color. So yeah, well, let's keep moving. Okay, so the next room we are gonna look at is this will be our baby's room whenever we have a baby. Right now it is a very hodgepodge. We have Christmas gifts, we have chairs, a TV, the bed. We don't have the actual bed yet, but this right now is a guest room, but it will be a kid's room when we have kids. But yeah, it's just, like I said, it's kind of just has stuff thrown in it right now. This room looks exactly like the dog room, and I'm not going to show the dog room because all it is kennels. So it looks exactly like this. It's just flipped. But yeah, it's pretty good size room. This is a twin. It has I can't remember what kind of bed, but there's another bed. So there's two beds there. So then let's hop to the back. So then we have our back entrance, which is the entrance that we use the most. We have our washer and dryer, then our folding station, and then two cabinets. And then right now we just have our shoes going here. And now we have our office, my office. This is where I work. So you walk into here. To the left, you have a nice little, I think it's called a Papasan chair. I'm not sure. Our little peace plant. I've got some wedding pictures, some cute, what are they called? There's like kind of like a dream catcher, and then just some macrame. Cute little Halloween decoration there. This rug is from, where's it from? Homemakers. I think the yellow really goes nice with the curtains I picked out. These curtains I got at, they're from Target, but I got them it's called Wet Your Palette. It's kind of like they get like bulk things, like kind of like overstock stuff. But they're originally from Target by Opal House, I believe. But I thought the yellow played nicely in with the rug. And then you go to the built-ins. We've got some pictures I have there. Pictures of our dogs, cats, our family, friends. And this is obviously my work area. We've got like personal paperwork down here. Like owner's manuals down there. This has got a lot of like arts and craft type things. We've got like pens up here, pens, markers. I love office supplies. Brent made this little holder for our iPads and my computer. Then over here we have the trash can that I DIY'd, and then the kind of storage unit that I DIY'd. It's got like all my medicine and stuff in it. And yeah, then my Taylor Swift tarot card. But that is the office. I think it turned out pretty cute. So let's move on. Okay, now we are in the master bedroom. So right when you walk in from the door to your left, I've got my desk set up for tarot. I've got a picture I've taken. Brent built me My husband built me that frame. I made this with my sisters. That mirror I painted, I got that from my grandma. And I have like, we're very close with our grandparents. So that's my husband's grandpa, that is my grandma. And then just a few things like her makeup and things that she got me. And then this is, I got this off of Amazon. That just has all of my makeup in there. And then I just got these boxes. The mirror needs cleaned, but those wicker baskets. Then we've got the windows, kitty bed, and then our bed. Now you can kind of see Nolly. There she is. And then pictures from our wedding. I got those from Smallwoods. The pictures are, oh yeah, I just said that, Smallwoods. The macrame, I believe, is from Etsy. And then we have our side tables, which, you can't really see them. Side tables are from Homemakers. Kitty beds from Walmart. That lamp is from Target. Then we have what I call the butterfly wall. I got these off of an old coworker, and then the wooden butterflies are from Jerica's vintage booth, Bungalow by Design, and I think they're a perfect addition. Then my bookshelf that I redid, I think I got this for free off of Marketplace, and painted it white, and then stained it, and then this thrifting, and then some crystals, a book my husband made me. This is my side of the bed. Got some crystals and all that good stuff. Then into the master bathroom. So we've got the kitty litter. We don't need to look at the kitty litter. Then we have our bench, the water for the cats. Here is our toilet area. The shelf is from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure where the sign's from. I think Target. So that's that. I'd really like to do a cool feature wall in here at some point. And then we have our, our double sinks. The shower, those are from Walmart, the stick-on, not magnetic, suction cup things. Here is the built-ins. We've got our towels, cat stuff, cat medicine, Brunt stuff, a mirror. So that's pretty empty right now. And then we have our closet, master closet, the built-ins, more, that's Brent's side, and another litter box, and the kitty's food. All right, that was our house tour with everything decorated and, settling in. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.